Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram followers and following from your account. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to give you the information about how to do it, and I'm going to go to the Instagram profile. So to do that, you have to make your account private. In that way, rather than your friend, no one can see your following or followers. They have to give you a follow request. If you accept that, they can see all your followers and following, and also your post. So to do that, click the profile on the bottom of your right screen, click it and click those three dots on top of your right. Go there, and here scroll down and you can see the account privacy. Here it is public, so to change it, just click it and click turn on this private account mode and select switch to private. And after that, no one outside your following group will see your followers and your following. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys.